Welcome to the new version 4 of BWA or Balboa Worldwide app. You'll see here some of the new features that we're going to outline and help you troubleshoot with on the next few videos. So what's new? There's a new and improved cloud connection. It gives you faster response time and control of your spa. There's an easier navigation. There's a menu system, which I'll show you here in a second, that allows you to easily navigate the app and figure out where you want to go. And there's new and improved security. So for cloud connections, we're putting in a login and password for each individual spa. That gives you increased security and increased protection from hackers. This is